Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location here in Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have something I like to do, something that hasn't been done before. That's right, another light custom by C&H. Basically, Buddy and I kind of thought about how we're going to do this, and I think it came out really good. So what is it? You'll see in a second. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. We have great answers. So come on over here. By the way, Buddy, the Master Tech, is behind the camera, and all the good work you see here, guess what? He's the one that did it all. Good job, buddy. All right, so what do we have here? Well, we have a Roll Lock M Series with, so this is new, the Vanguard Sports Bar, one of our newer companies. It does come with LED lights here. And now, these are generally not designed to work with a Roll Lock. And the main reason is because the Roll Lock is not, the T-slot doesn't extend to the full length of the bed. But we basically, with some light modifications, we've been able to make it work. So we're able to put a sport bar with a Roll Lock with the T-slot, which has not, as far as I know, I think we're the first ones doing it. What do you think, buddy? Have you seen this before?
Nope.
That's right, I figured it's just us. Okay, so again, this is a sport bar. It's attached to the actual T-slot here, and it's on there really, really good. So I'm going to show you the Roll Lock real quick, and then I'm going to show you how the lights work, and we'll go through the whole thing. Now, the Roll Lock has a 300-pound weight capacity on top here, and it also has a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Now, a very nice thing that's going on right now, part of a real truck program that we're part of, where if we install it, professionally install this cover, we are able to double the factory warranty from 3 years to 6, which is very good. Also, we put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we've done today as well. And let's go ahead and show you some great things about the Roll Lock. First thing first is you'll notice how quickly it opens up. The next thing you'll notice is look how much room is underneath that canister. That's got a ton of room there. So if you're putting stuff in there, you have plenty of room to put it in there. Also, if you notice, the Roll Lock is connected to the cargo management system. Why is that better, Chris? Well, this is basically gonna have everything more secure. The Roll Lock is connected to that. The roll bar is connected to the Roll Lock. So if you're doing any off-roading, a lot of people who buy these Toyota Tacomas, they do like to take them off-road, and they're a great off-road truck. This is going to stay in place while you're doing all those crazy off-road things. Having it connected like this to this, it's secure, and that's the most important thing about it. Also, another nice thing about the Roll Lock, now as you know from previous videos, we have done a sport bar, the ARB, with a retracts. Now, the ARB, really, first of all, they don't sell the ARB to people like me. They only come with the truck. So this customer, and when he went and priced it out from Toyota, it's very expensive. The Vanguard is about 30 to 35% less money than the ARB. So your wallet will appreciate that. And these are made better for a T-slot setup. So if you either got the Roll Lock, which we have here, or the retracts, this will work with those covers with the T-slots. Now we do have other covers with T-slots, and we could probably make those work as well. Probably take maybe some light modification, but nothing too crazy. Now, one thing about the retracts, you get a handle here, and you have to kind of open and close with the handle. And of course, the sport bar be in the way a little bit because of this. But with the Roll Lock, you do not have that problem. Basically, you got a strap here, and you do have stops along the way here, so you can have it partially open or partially closed. And it is a lot easier to use. Now, this is American made. It was actually being made down the street from my shop, but they are moving to another state, which does make me sad. I like to say American made and Florida made, but it's just American made today. Again, Roll Lock has been around for a very long time. They have fine-tuned their product so many times over the years. It's really bulletproof. I like selling their product. It's made very well. I think it's reasonably priced for what it offers. You really can't go wrong. Again, look how nice this thing opens up. I mean, that is like butter. Again, opens and closes, nice and easy. You really can't go wrong here. Now, if you do have the automatic tailgate, this will work with automatic tailgate, so you don't have to worry about that not working together. Now, I'm going to go into the sport bar a little bit. As you know, we have connected it to the T-slot rail on the cover. Now, if you look up there, it does have some lights. So let me see if I can turn this on real quick for you. So, okay, there we go. A little on the bright side. And now what's nice about these lights is if you're backing up and it's very dark behind you, you can flip those on and you can see it behind you. Now, I go camping with my truck behind me here, and a lot of times I try to see what's behind me, like when I park and I'm like trying to set things up, and I have lights in the bumper, which work very nice. This one works a little bit better because If you have the bed open, now you can see everything in the bed. You can see what's behind you. It is a smart design. And of course, if you got a tailgater, you can put those on as well, but you didn't hear that from me. Again, this is a great setup. I like this a lot. I think we're gonna do wonders with this product. I think it looks good. It fits great. And again, now make sure you understand what I'm about to say here. If you go buy this cover and you go buy that sport bar and you get home, they're ready to put them on and hey, it doesn't work. But I saw Chris over at C&H, him and Buddy put it on. Yes, because we did some custom work to it. Just like the ARB one, we had to do some custom work. We're doing custom work with this one. If you buy it from us, you can give a couple options. We can tell you exactly what we did, and we'll tell you step by step how to do it yourself. Second option, come here to the store. Let us do it all for you. Third option is we send you the roll and lock. We send the Vanguard to our store. We do all the modifications here. We repackage it up and send it to you ready to go. So you don't have to do the modifications yourself. So you got A, B, or C to have this setup. Now, if you go and buy it from Joe Schmo's tonneau covers online and you're having problems and you're gonna call me and say, you know, Chris, I saw your video, but I want to buy it from someone else. He has no clue what you did. Can you help me? I'm gonna say, look, if you don't have time to buy from me, how am I gonna give you my time? You gotta buy from me to get our expertise. I'll put Buddy, our master tech, on the phone with you who'll walk you through it. I'll walk you through it, but you have to buy it from us to get those extras. And the price is the same. It's not like I'm charging for this roll lock any more money or this for any more money. It's the same price. You're just getting extras for no extra money. Again, this is a review video of the Roll and Lock M Series with the XT rail, the T-slot rail, with the Vanguard sport bar here, with the LED lights. And do me a small favor, if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all this stuff that you might not be seeing anywhere else. And if you got this new Toyota and you say, you know what, Chris, I want this, can you help me? And the answer is yes, give me a call. Thank you so much.